All right, this one's a little tricky, right? And that's because what we're gonna have here are these interrupting commas, right? So so what we have here, right? We already have this comma here, right? So let's go through our answer choices, right? So answer choice A would be having no other commas, which would mean if we only have one comma in a sentence, it either needs to be like IC DC or DC comma IC. And if we don't put any other commas in the sentence, we have before Alan Turing was. And then after, among other things, a computer scientist who is often credited as the father of artificial intelligence. So we wouldn't have an independent clause on either side. So we can't just have this one comma here, right? Clearly, we're going to be needing to use like this as like a set. So A is gone. Answer choice B would be if we put a comma after scientist right here. So let's see if we can take that out. If I said Alan Turing was who is often credited as the father, that doesn't make any sense either. So answer choice B would be out. Let's just erase that really quick, right? Answer choice C would be putting a comma. So we'd have our comma here, and then we'd have our comma after this, right? Alan Turing was a computer scientist. That sounds really good. But then we would have scientist, comma, who is often credited as the father of artificial intelligence. And we wouldn't want to put a comma in front of the who here, right? Which would leave us with answer choice D, which would be if we just didn't have that comma here, right? We would just have our, the comma that's already here. And then we would have the comma that's here, right? And we would cross this out. And we would say Alan Turing was a computer scientist who is often credited as the father of artificial intelligence. Answer choice D, right? So this would be the dependent clause we're taking out. And we're really just putting the comma after things here to end this comma that was right here to cross this middle part off. And this would be our independent clause. He was a computer scientist who is often credited as the father of AI. Answer choice D.